Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the fuel pump on a Chrysler Sebring. Right here we're working on this one, and what happens actually doesn't start at all. One morning they said that the vehicle will not start at all. I'll show you what it does. Okay, it starts and it dies for a little bit. So we diagnosed it and it happened to be a fuel pump. So stay with us now, we'll show you. Okay, that's a new fuel pump assembly that we got right here. You can see it comes with everything, the whole assembly. It's not one of those deals that you replace just the pump. It's actually better if you can replace the whole thing. Okay, that's what we have here. So now we are going to go inside the vehicle, and we need to go on the back seat right here, and we need to remove the back seat of the vehicle. Now we need to push in and pull up at the same time, and the back seat will come out of there. Okay, and you will always find some change underneath it, always. And now we need to remove that lid. That's where the fuel pump is located. Under the lid you can see that plastic lid. You just pull it like that. Okay, now we need to remove the wires, and after that we need to remove the hose too. Okay, so when you turn the key on, you should be able to hear the pump turning on. Okay, and you can see this one doesn't do anything. You'll be able to hear it. You can even hear it outside the vehicle when you are. Okay, so now we'll pull the wires out and put them on the new pump to demonstrate how it's going to make a noise. Okay, we have it there now. So let's just connect it now and see what happens. Okay, right here, push it in. Okay, and watch what happens now when you turn the vehicle on. You can hear it. Even if it's inside the fuel tank, you can still hear it. So that's a problem. Now in order to remove the fuel line, you need to push in like that, and you need to push that black thing all the way in. Make sure that it doesn't spray fuel in your eyes. Always be very careful not to spill too much. Avoid flame, smoking or anything like that. That could cause an explosion. And now with a screwdriver and a hammer we're going to unscrew that cap. Okay, so you might need to pry a little bit like that if you can get between that metal plate and the cap actually. Let's see if it's going to go. Okay, you can see we gained a little bit more. Once it jumps the tube, it's going to come off really easy. Okay, just like that. And we just need to pull the hose because it got in again, and just go ahead. Okay, we'll go ahead and pull that metal plate out. And now we should be able to pull the fuel pump assembly out of there. Make sure that you don't have too much stuff that will go in the tank. Okay, so now if you grab it, it should come off. It has a seal probably, so it might be stuck a little bit. Okay, like that. And we'll make a mess now, that's for sure. So you need to get a bucket or something to make sure you don't get it in the car. So now we're ready to install the new assembly. You need to make sure you pull that plastic back out of the way. Okay, and we recommend going with the whole assembly, not just the fuel pump. Those are made to where you just have to replace the whole thing. It's easier, it's more reliable. They're not serviceable like they used to be back in the day. Okay, and now it goes only in one way, like that. We need to hold it, and now we need to install the metal plate again on top of it, but you need to be holding it pretty good. And you need to start turning it now. You need to press in all the way, and you need to start turning the metal plate now. never hit on the fuel tank itself. Okay, we started it, so now you don't need to hold it. Okay, and if you go like that, just make sure the screwdriver doesn't touch the top of the tank. Okay, we got it all the way where it's supposed to be. It's all the way to the end. So now we need to connect the wires, we need to connect the fuel line. You just push it in. It's getting a little late, but hopefully the video quality will be good for you guys to see what we do. Okay, right there. And now let's see if we can start it before we put it back together. So okay, key in. Now that's the moment of the truth. Okay, it started. That's normal, that first time takes long time because the fuel line was empty. Okay, let's try again. Okay, second time should be fast. Yep, perfectly fine. And you can see it third time now. So runs great. The only thing that we need to do now, we need to install the cover on top and put the rear seat back on. Alright, push it in, and that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.